Did you know the world's tiniest dog has the biggest personality? Meet the Chihuahua. Chihuahuas might be small, but they're full of surprises. These tiny dogs are one of the smallest breeds, typically weighing only 2 to 6 pounds, but they act like they're much bigger. Their bold personality and confidence can make them seem fearless, even around much larger dogs. Chihuahuas come in a variety of colors, with either long or short coats, and their big round eyes and cute little ears make them absolutely adorable. Fun fact, Chihuahuas are named after the Mexican state of Chihuahua, where they originally came from. Despite their size, Chihuahuas are known for being loyal and protective. They form strong bonds with their owners and love to cuddle, but they also have a playful, spunky side. You'll often catch them zipping around the house or barking at things twice their size. So don't let their tiny size fool you. Chihuahuas are packed with personality and love, making them one of the most popular companion dogs in the world.